We are now starting the second video of this probability topic. In the first part, we have derived two things in that part. First is probability of any event is favorable chances over total chances. Second, probability of any event is going to lie between 0 and 1. The third, probability of A plus probability of not A is always equal to 1. And now we are discussing the tree diagram. With replacement. Let's say the total red balls in the bag is 6 and the blue balls are 4. And you are taking 2 balls from that bag with replacement. When we will draw this diagram, we have 2 colors, so we will make 2 branches for that part. This is red, this is blue. The red chances are 6 out of 10 because its total is 10 there, and blue chances are 4 out of 10. And this is the first draw. Now for the second draw, it is red, it is blue, it is red, it is blue. Because we are doing it with the topic with the replacement, so total number of balls and the colors balls will remain same. So for the second draw of this red ball will be still 6 over 10, and this is 4 out of 10, this is 6 out of 10, and this is 4 out of 10. Here we make the total possible outcomes. There will be red with the red, red with the blue, blue with the red, and blue with blue. Now, you are asking, find the probability of same color. So that means same color is red, red, and blue, blue. So we will write it here, probability of red, red, or that means what, and probability of blue, blue. So this is going to be 6 by 10 into 6 by 10 plus 4 by 10 into 4 by 10. This is 36 over 100 plus 16 over 100. This thing is equal to 52 over 100. 13 over 25 is the probability for the same color which is being obtained from the 2 balls of red and the blue color. Second, if we are going to find out the probability of different colors, then we know that probability of different plus probability of same is always equal to 1 due to this third property of this. So probability of different should be equal to 1 minus probability of same. That is 1 minus 13 over 25, or that thing is equal to 12 over 25 is the probability for the different colors of this part. Then in the same question, they can ask, find the probability that the second is blue. Now, 2 balls are drawn, but we are concerned with only second ball, and that is blue there. So here, this is second ball is blue, and here second ball is blue. We are not concerned with the first ball. So we can write this thing as probability of red with the blue and the probability of blue with the blue. So that thing is equal to 6 out of 10 into 4 out of 10 plus 4 out of 10 into 4 out of 10. So it is 24 over 100 plus 16 over 100, and that thing is equal to 40 over 100. This thing is equal to 2 by 5. The fourth part of this one is find the probability of at least one is red. So at least one is red means what? This red, this is red, this is red. So instead of taking these three probabilities, so whenever this word at least is used there, so we can use the opponent option for this part, that this thing is equal to 1, because some of these probabilities of this and this should be always equal to 1. So if we can subtract the probability of blue from this whole, then it is the probability of one red there. So it should be equal to 1 minus 4 out of 10 into 4 out of 10, that is 1 minus 16 over 100, or that thing is equal to 84 over 100. This should be equal to 21 over 25. So this is the topic when the two balls are drawn from the bag of 6 red and 4 blue balls with replacement there, and then different questions they can ask about this. And now we will solve the question same when it is without replacement there. Now let's say we have to make the tree diagram without replacement for 6 red, 4 blue and 2 yellow color balls, from which 3 balls are to be taken at random from the bag there. So first of all, it should be total possible outcomes is equal to, because there are 3 colors and we are selecting 3 balls from that, so this should be equal to 27. Now we are going to make the tree diagram of this for this portion of balls there. So first time it should be red, blue and yellow. This is the first draw. We are going to draw it from this pack. Red ball, because on the first attempt, whether it is with replacement or without replacement, for the first draw, it should always be the same number of balls there. So red ball is there 6 out of 12. This should be 4 out of 12 and this should be 2 out of 12 for this yellow color. For the second draw, here we are going to make the second draw red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue and yellow. So for the second draw, because it is without replacement, so you can make this like red, blue, yellow, 6, 4, 2. Now one ball is drawn, so it should be left there 5. So for the, if the red ball is drawn from that bag, then total number of balls will be equal to 11. Now red will be equal to 5 by 11. The blue will be equal to 4 by 11, and for yellow it should be 2 by 11. Again, if it is in the bag there are 12 balls, and now second blue is selected from that bag, so blue ball will be left there 3. So red ball would be 6 out of 11, and then 3 out of 11, and then 2 out of 11 for this yellow color. And if yellow ball is taken, then for the red ball is there, that is 6 by 11, it should be 4 by 11, and it should be 1 by 11. Same for the third draw, this will be red, blue and yellow. This would be red, blue and yellow. This would be red, blue, 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 yellow. And this would be red, blue, yellow. Now, in the back, there are 5 balls left here for the second draw. If red is taken third one, so 2 red balls are taken out. So it should be 4, 4 and 2. The remaining balls are there. So for this third draw, the red ball is equal to 4 out of 10. This will be 4 out of 10, and this will be 2 out of 10. And same, we can complete the rest of the table for this portion there. Now, if they ask you that find the probability of same color, then we know that it should be red, red, red plus probability of blue, blue, blue plus probability of yellow, yellow, yellow. But since there are 2 yellow balls, so this third option would be not there, because you have selected already 2 yellow color balls, and there is no any other yellow color ball left for that portion there. So we can make this table like this, that here you can write it even same. So this portion, because there is no yellow color ball, so this will be equal to 0. So first red, it's 6 by 12. Then second red is 5 by 11. Then the third red is 4 by 10 plus blue. First blue is 4 by 12. Then one blue is taken out. It should be 3 by 11. And then one is taken more. So it should be equal to 2 by 10. And this probability is 0. So this will be equal to 120 over 12 into 110 plus 24 over 12 into 11 into 10, and this should be equal to 120 plus 12, 144 over 12 into 110, and you can simplify it in the simplest form, and you can get the answer for this same color balls from this bag there. And if they are asking that find the probability of different colors from this bag. So same probability is 6 by 55. So this will be equal to 1 minus probability of 6 by 55. So it is 55 minus 6 over 55. So that should be equal to 49/55. This is the probability for the different color balls from that bag. Now, if they ask, find the probability that at least one red ball. So this means at least one red means what? There should be whatever the balls you are selecting, but at least one red should be there. One red can be there, two reds can be there, three reds can be there. So it is, if you open this, it will be a very long chart. But what is the procedure here? We can write it out that 1 minus now for this portion, we combine these two, that it means blue and yellow. And we subtract that all balls are either of blue color or yellow color, then it is the probability, subtracting it from 1, it is the probability of at least one red color ball. So we can write it here 1 minus probability of either blue or yellow color. So this is equal to 1 minus, there are total 6 balls. So first time the selection is 6 out of 12, then 5 out of 11, and then 4 out of 10. This will be equal to 1 minus 120 over 12 into 11 into 10, 110. So this 12, 10. So 1 minus 1 over 11, that is 11 minus 1, 10 over 11 is the probability for at least one red ball is there. So this is the way that we are doing it without replacement for this question there. We have too many other examples where we will solve it with replacement and without replacement and the possibility diagram from the questions from the past papers there.